front of me is Motorola Moto G04, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the bottom left corner of it. Then click on those three lines at the top right one and select Settings from the pop-up. Now before creating new alarm, you can adjust all of those options however you wish to, like snooze. Then go back and to add a new alarm, use this plus at the bottom in the middle. Then you need to set up an hour, and to save it, hit OK in Select Time pop-up. As you can see, my new alarm was successfully created. Now it's time to adjust it. At the top, you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then click on days of the week that you wish to set up. And to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to pause alarm. Then pick a date and save it by hitting OK. To remove it, use this remove icon next to it. Now you can click on little bell icon over here. Download one of those sound sources or click dismiss. If you decided to download one of them, they will appear at the top. Just tap on the chosen one and log in. If you want to, you can also select sounds and click on add new under your sounds. Then tap on any song from your smartphone and set it up as your new alarm one. You can also just tap on one of those melodies and go back as well. Now click on those two icons, this one next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm, and this one next to Google Assistant routine to add or remove your alarm from it. If you want to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner of your alarm. To switch it off completely, use this switcher next to it and click on the same now gray one to enable it. To make some adjustments to your already existing alarms, click on those dots at the top right corners of each one and change wherever you want to. To delete one of your alarms, click on the same icon at the top right corner and then select this bin at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!